Hello there. Would you like to cut the cost of car insurance? If so, grab a pen because I've got some quick, easy to follow tips that might significantly reduce your premium. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Let's just take a moment to recap the basics. When you get a quote, your insurance company decides how likely you are to make a claim, and if you do, whether that claim is likely to be for a large amount of money or a small amount. If it decides that there's a very good chance you'll make a claim and that claim is likely to be for a staggering amount of money, your premium will be high to reflect that. In the opposite scenario, it will be much cheaper. Every car has an insurance group rating from number 1 to 50. The higher the rating, the higher your premium. Now there are many things that define whether a car has a high rating or a low one. These include the cost of repair, how easy it is to steal, and how fast it is. Typically, in very general terms, a fast, expensive, easy to steal sports car has a high rating, whereas something more everyday has a much lower rating. If you want cheap insurance, pick your car carefully. Now this system relates to the UK, but if you don't live here, the chances are you have a local equivalent. Your driving history influences the cost of insurance. So if you go out and you get multiple speedy convictions and you run red traffic lights and generally behave like a loony, your insurer is going to say, hang on, this person's dangerous. There's going to be a collision. Your premium will be high to reflect that. If you want cheap car insurance, drive sensibly. A named driver is someone you add to the policy so they can drive your car fully insured. Perhaps surprisingly, that could cut the cost of insurance. Common sense is required though. Don't pick someone who's just passed their test. Don't pick someone with a long list of convictions. Somebody like that could in fact increase your premium. Try and find someone who's a bit older and has a clean driving licence. The excess is the amount of money that you pay towards a claim. So, if your claim is worth £1,000 and your excess is £250, you, in real terms, only get £750 from the insurance company. Now, within certain parameters, you can increase or decrease your excess. Increasing it reduces the insurer's liability, and that is reflected by a lower premium. An insurance policy typically includes optional extras that you can remove. You might, for example, get a hire car if yours is off the road. You might get legal cover. You might get additional personal injury protection. All these things are useful enough, but they increase the premium. So if you don't want them, take them off. A telematics black box is a small device fitted within your vehicle and it could cut the cost of car insurance. Its purpose is to monitor your behaviour, then report back to the insurance company who then set your premium accordingly. So, if you constantly accelerate hard, if you corner at terrifying speed and you drive at the times of day where there's more likely to be a collision, at least statistically, your premium will be high to reflect that. In the opposite scenario, it will be cheaper. There are other things you can do to cut the cost of car insurance. Now, when you get a quote, the insurance company says, excuse me mate, how many miles do you drive a year? Now, if you say 50,000 miles, there's far more chance of having an accident and therefore far more chance of making a claim than if you only do 3,000 miles a year. That is reflected in the premium. So don't tell your insurance company that you do far more miles than you actually do. Shopping around is one of the best ways to cut the cost of car insurance. Now there are countless providers out there and the difference between your cheapest quote and the most expensive could be hundreds, possibly thousands of pounds. Now the best way to shop around is at a price comparison website. All you do is enter your information once and you'll simultaneously get multiple quotes. You'll probably get dozens of quotes. Oh, and by the way, if you currently have a policy that's about to expire, your existing insurer is likely to send you a renewal quote. That quote is likely to be high. It might be even higher than starting a new policy with the same company. Okay, now this video contains my quick tips, but I have made a longer version which provides more context. There's a link in the description, so have a look if you're interested. By the way, don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel. Subscribing makes it easier to find future videos. Right, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.